Hey everybody, welcome to 81 Skylark Drive, a two-story stunner on Hamilton Center Mountain, right in the heart of the Brewville neighborhood. Shall we go inside? Yeah, let's do it. Heading to the newly updated kitchen, which has room for a few people to get their chef on. It has a breakfast bar, great counter space, stainless steel appliances, modern fixtures, and a ton of crisp white cabinetry. The living room with its rustic floors is super spacious, has a wood-burning fireplace, and lots of natural light. Exquisite fixtures and room for a large family help to complete the dining room. And the adjacent family room is perfect for some good after-dinner conversation. A powder room and a well-thought-out laundry area complete the main floor. Now let's head up our Scarlett O'Hara staircase to see what the second floor is saying. Dark hardwood adorns the entire upper level. The master bedroom features a huge walk-in closet and a three-piece ensuite with an extra large walk-in shower and stunning, I'm talking stunning, double sinks. In total, there are 3 bedrooms and each is more spacious than the next. Heading down to the lower level, it's its own self-contained unit with a separate entrance, separate laundry, but the beautiful decor continues. A brand new full kitchen with quartz countertops and a ton of roomy living space that really doesn't feel like a basement. The large den has a closet, stylishly hidden behind a barn door, and there you have it, a fabulous teenage hideaway or an in-law suite. The backyard has a beautifully stained, half-covered 2-tier deck, a super large shed, and is fully fenced in. So thank you for stopping by 81 Skylark. We hope to see you again soon.